This tutorial will show you how to start translating. You have the two speech recognition buttons here that correlate to the two languages that are selected on the screen. There are two ways on how you can speak and translate. The first method is you can continue holding the button and then start speaking. The second way is you can press and immediately release the button and the device will automatically recognize the spoken sentence. Here's an example of both scenarios. Hello, how are you?
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Now if I repeat but with the second method. Hello, how are you?
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
When you finish, the translation is done automatically in approximately half a second. When you tap the translated text on the screen, the device will repeat.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
You can also scroll through the history of the conversation with the settings icon at the top and then select history. Once you have a long conversation, you will be able to scroll through the entire history of the translations. When you want to choose another language, you can either tap the back arrow on the screen or the back button on the right hand side, and then you can change the language from the main menu. It's also useful to know that there is a function for pronunciation speed, and you can find it into the settings. If you go settings, speech, here you'll be able to adjust how fast or slow you would like the translations to be returned to you. So if I go very fast, and if I go back, repeat one of these translations,
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
that was much faster than it was previously. And that is how you can start using the translation feature.